Hello, this video I'm just wanna let you guys and girls know that I'm slowly doing better and slowly getting back into knife making, but also gonna make this little bit of an EDC video. So yeah, first of all, carrying this poker song trainer. It's a nice one. Well, it's not the best flipper in the world, but the best that I have. My EDC faceplate with Cubone lanyards. Buckle multi-tool. And that's it for knives and tools, I guess. And of course my wallet with the chain. Copper smiley from Ronald. Yeah, that's it for my ADC today. Sorry for noise. And also I want to thank you guys for helping me around, for all the nice words. Yeah, last few months was really hard. Well, almost for half a year now. Actually, it feels weird to be back in the shop. I haven't been in the shop for months. It's a little bit weird to be back, but it's a good weird. Also, from now on, I'm slowly getting back into knife making, but it will take a while. Take a long time, but yeah, we'll see. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Well, talk to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.